Uptown Swing level 1-6 count.
Hannah.
Peter. Good work today. We did sneaky, subtle stuff today, kind of about technique, and you did a really nice job with it. It was kind of improving some of the finer points. We did this move where we got this line here, and we hold our partner's leaders, and I'm just moving myself, and it happens to move my partner. Remember, I go 1 triple step, 2 triple step, rock, step, 1 triple step, 2 triple step. And Hannah's not really trying to move at all. She started dancing on the spot and then hanging out. I think the followers were like, totally, and then we were like, more.
Yeah, we told you to dance on the spot, like really dance on the spot, and you did it, but then it sort of started to disappear, so keep doing it.
Yeah,
Just
really hang out.
Wait.
It feels good, I swear. It's not a big burden, it feels good. So we did that, and then we did the into a send out. So we went here, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. That's a send out right there. Leaders, remember, it's not rock, step, push this person. Not a ton of force. It's 1, 2, 3. I just move my hands with confidence there. Remember, this one does more of the work. This one's kind of holding things still. But if I'm moving with confidence, my follower will agree with me, so I don't have to force. I'm more convincing my partner. And followers, if you just keep facing your leaders, you won't get lost where you're going. We did that, and then we put it all together here with the Frankie sixes. As a reminder, here it is. Rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step, and we finished with the stop and shake. We did rock, step, bam, a 5, 6, 7, 8, hey. And we kept dancing there, and you worked it out. Looking very good. Thank you for the work. We will see you next week.